Yo, I just want to say, chat, I'm fucking pissed. I just was recording the last 20 minutes, dog. And guess what? I took a fucking picture instead. Like when I hit record on my shit. Oh my God. I'm pissed. I'm pissed. I'm pissed. Bro, I had the greatest POV drive. Oh my gosh. The back road I took was crazy. Hopefully if it ain't too dark later, we hit it on the way back, but I don't know. I don't know. Dude, I'm pissed. I'm fucking pissed. It's all good though. What I was saying though was a couple days ago I tried to get a nice POV video for you guys, but ended up raining. I got my girlfriend with me, she's in her car. But ended up raining. The sky was looking crazy though, bro. That's why I was on it, like, you know what I mean? But I was on it, but I didn't go through with it, obviously, because it started raining. But yeah, so I thought, hey, why not? Let's do that shit today. We're gonna go get some sushi. So let's fucking do it. Let's get a POV for the chat, for the guys, for the boys. Boy, if you don't. But yeah, man, my intakes are dirty as fuck. I need to clean them. They're coming up on their maintenance, almost 10K miles on them. Granted, they're from the older Q, so, but I went on vacation and it sat for like 12 days, and I don't know. It sounds, they sound good, but they don't sound like what I'm used to them sounding. And I did check them yesterday, and they were pretty.
Traffic alert. Road closed ahead.
Not pretty bad, but not in the best condition. So we're gonna change those. But other than that, car's been running great. Oh no, this guy's pissing me off, but we are in the construction zone. Granted, I ain't gonna drive any faster, but he hesitating a little bit, like he don't know what the fuck he doing. But what I'm saying is, my coolant charge pump that I was talking about, that came in from AMS. I made a little YouTube short about that, and I posted it. So if you guys haven't peeped that short out, go ahead and peep it out. I am ordering my fender tank by AMS here in a couple days or so. So coolant fully upgraded. Only thing that's left to upgrade in the coolant system is the big intercoolers, and that's either Mishimoto or AMS when it comes to those two. So we'll see. That's down the road, maybe like big turbo. Even if I go that route, I might just go E. Who knows? Who knows what the future will bring? We're not going to rush anything. Yeah, I know y'all sitting here like, damn, he probably saying everything he just said. I know he pissed. Facts, bro. I was sitting here banging gears.
Stop. What do you mean by that?
On the back road, sounding good as fuck, just for that shit to not even be recording, bro. I'm sick, bro. I'm sick. It's all good, though. Nice. No, we're gonna go straight. We're gonna go straight. Cause I think this is gonna take us on the highway, and that's trying to take us on the back roads. Maybe. Or it could have been just a quicker way to the highway. I don't know. I don't fucking live in. But yeah, I am super excited to get this build on the way, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys. My girlfriend's car is about to be coming crazy, bro. I ain't gonna lie, her car probably about to be looking crazier than mine. Granted, it's an SUV, but that bitch a big body, and that bitch is clean, bro. It's so clean, bro. I got a turn coming up, so I ain't even gonna cut up. Back to the oil, not the oil filters, back to the intake filters though. Y'all ever notice that Dodge motherfuckers be having the dirtiest intakes?
Damn!
Like, I don't know, like it's crazy, bro. When I see a lot of intakes on fucking, when I see a lot of intakes on Mopars, bro, they pop the hood. That motherfucker be dirtier than a motherfucker, bro. I get a dirty ass intake on this car. It throws a code and everything, bro. Like, I don't know, man. I wish I could do that. Save me a little bit of money for a little bit extra time, but we're not. Set that in there. About 11 minutes till we slide, till we get there. What is that? That's low-key hard, that little Mini Cooper. That is a Mini Cooper. I like that. I would not fucking drive it, but I like it. That's fucking sexy. I'm gonna fuck this sushi up. I'm not gonna lie, on my way back, I really hope I can get this back road footage for y'all. Hopefully it's not too dark. My girlfriend drives a 2022 Audi Q8, big ass body. Let me know if y'all want videos of me cruising with other people, cutting up with other people. I be trying to get motherfuckers to come do content, but it's like pulling teeth. I'll say, fuck it, I do this shit myself. I don't need nobody. But it's always cooler to have people with you. It ain't, I got friends, motherfuckers just be lazy. I don't know what the fuck I just went over. I didn't see nothing. Like, bro, let's go. That's what y'all want to see, huh? Y'all want to see Bill get, ooh, there go Q8. Is that our Q5? Let me show my girlfriend. Dude, that bitch hard. The Jeep know he gotta get over, bro. The Jeep know he gotta get over, bro. Come on, bro. Get over for me. Come on, Bubba. Don't make, yeah, there we go. Ooh, look at this dude in the middle of the intersection. Nice little bit of open road right here. Pretty sure my girlfriend just cut a fucking Q8 off. I mean, STI off. She's funny as hell.
Been always had common sense. I just started using it though, probably 2 months ago.
Oh fuck. This, bro, when you pull out, why do you pull out all the way into the left lane? Do people not go into the right, the closest lane first, look, then go over? What are you doing, bro? You see me coming too, bruh.
Are you serious right now, bro?
You drive a piece of shit. You drive a piece of shit, and I get out the car and beat your ass. You want to get out? Come on, come on, I'll follow you.
A few moments later.
This fucking idiot almost killed us. Literally, he's fucking retarded. I got a video of his license plate and everything.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy. Okay.
This man almost just killed us and he's fucking dumb, bro.
Chat, I just almost beat this bitch ass dude's ass, dog. Bro. Like, are you the fucking... Crazy, dog. He said, you got a fat girlfriend. Like, bro, you're in a Lexus. That's crazy. He almost cut me off and then that's crazy, bro. You're in a big body ass Lexus. I don't care.
Just killed us and he's fucking dumb, bro.
That's crazy. That Porsche is fucking crazy. Ew, with the red. Y'all know I'm a whore for red, dog. Chat, just know I followed him and I cut the fucking camera. Chat, just know when I pulled up, I stopped the video, dog. Cause I was gonna get out of the car and whoop his ass till he was on the phone with the fucking, you know who. Crazy work, bro. Crazy work. Damn, we almost just died. Well, I almost just died. My girlfriend, she was a good way behind me, but bent that hoe. Oh man. Going down the one way, I don't give a fuck. I ain't gonna lie, chat, my tension a little up. I just almost beat a 40-year-old man's ass. Maybe. I want to say almost. I seen him on the phone, bro. As soon as I got behind him, like, all right, we know what you're doing, buddy. We know what you're doing.